Hello everyone. In this video, I'm just gonna explain the recent improvement I just did to the synthetic data generator and the validator application, which you can see on my screen. I just published this article on the LinkedIn where I mentioned that I'm trying to improve the intelligence or the effectiveness of this application by adding these three ideas: the adversarial self-correction loop, the second one is the semantic and the context-aware validation. And the third one is the multi-LLM paraphrasing and the generation. Because if we have these three improvements in this application, believe me, this application is going to be most effective and the most intelligent application when it comes to generating a synthetic data through which you can not only train your machine learning models, but you can fine tune your large language model as well. Let's quickly get into the demo part. Before then, we will just get into the explanation how actually I just implemented this context awareness in the semantic analysis, right? So on a data generation part, so far I haven't made any changes. So you have to just say how many example you need, how many safe ratio, then the perturbation rate and the paraphrasing, and we got this CSV. Now we just go to the data validation and we just upload this, okay? So I'm just going to here. So here we have data. This one is data which is created. You can quickly see. Okay, this looks good. So we can hide this. Okay, it's going to take a little bit of time. Let's quickly see one of this. Okay, okay. So now you can see in final wording, the important feature which you haven't seen in the previous video is the semantic diversity, right? We were having a uniqueness. So basically what uniqueness mention is the hard-coded rule-based on which it just figured out whether the sentence is unique or not. But now having a semantic diversity, we can say what is the semantic diversity, which is 82%, right? This is the new feature which we have added. To implement this, right, what I have done is I am using a LLM, this sentence transformer LLM, right, which you can just get it from the Hugging Face. You can search for the sentence transformer and you can get this, right? So what it does is you can just feed it, whatever the data we have, and then you can just get this similarity. It's pretty much same like what we do with the vector database, right? So here is the logic which I have. Okay, analysis, category distribution, this analysis, analyze semantic similarity. Here you can see this is the semantic model where we are feeding the text which we have, through which we are getting from the CSV, and then we are saying, okay, convert into the tensor, show the proportion. This is something else, right? So once this embedding is created, then we are just trying to see the cosine similarity, right? So what we are doing here is we are just trying to see the similarity, between the two prompts so that we can be sure that, it's completely, different and this meaning is also different or no, right? So it's really, really important for us, right, to just have a most effective and validated data set, right? If we really want to increase this, it means that we have to increase the quality of our data generation. So this is the first improvement I have done. The second one, which I'm going to do is, which is going to be very interesting and very, very challenging, adversarial self-correction, right? So what it's going to do is, as you can see on our screen, we have this F1 score. Depending upon this F1 score, so if it is low, then we have to increase this so that we can reduce the false negative, right? How can we do that? That is something which I am going to implement in this. So whenever, there would be a lesser F1 score, it's automatically just try to generate the data by adding a more intelligence through which this F1 score can be improved. I haven't thought about it, how I'm going to do it, but it seems like it is really, really going to be the interesting thing to figure it out how I can do that. And once I'm done with that, then I'm gonna give the working done, right? I hope you really enjoy this video. If you really like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed for my channel, please subscribe for my channel. And one more thing, if you need access, this is the code base which is in a GitLab. I have already posted that. Whosoever is interested in contributing to this project, or whosoever wants to take control of this code or want the access to this code, he or she can reach out to me through the LinkedIn or through the email, or you can just put into the comment section your email ID so that I can invite you specifically for this GitLab group. Thanks for watching this, and as always, stay healthy and keep learning new things.